Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. And a few days back I had posted an Instagram story that what video must be next. Many students answered that, sir, can you make a video on how to make notes, how to make short notes of all the concepts and how to make that useful. So this video is for you all, to you all who all requested for it. Well, let me tell you that if you don't make notes, what will happen? If suppose you're listening a concept or you're trying to understand a concept or you are just listening a class, there are many chances that you will forget it. It's natural because memory has a habit of fading away. What happened yesterday will be fresh in your mind, but what happened a week ago will not be fresh in your mind. For that, you need to make notes. Let me tell you a few misconceptions what people have and what students do or what anybody does. Suppose you're learning something and you find it very interesting. What you do first? You take out your mobile and take a picture of it. And what happens? You never look at it. That's a big problem. And then while taking notes, what people do is nothing but just copy, paste exactly whatever is written. Biggest mistake. Just whatever is important, just write it down. Fine. No, you need not do that. Let me advise you on how your notes must be and how you need to remember the concepts. Number one advice is that whenever you read something, you read it to understand it. You understand a paragraph or you understand something, write it down in your own words that what is your understanding about it. Write it down in your own words, you'll understand it. And then point number two is that relate it with an example. I give many examples, many examples. If you don't write it down in the class or if you don't make a note of it, you will forget it. So if you make down notes or write down this example is related to this, or you make your own example and you relate to it, that will be more helpful for you and you will remember it. And now lastly, what I would like to say is that what is the importance of a handwritten note and not a highlighter. Never use a highlighter. With a highlighter, you're not making any notes. Write it down in your own book. Because nobody else may understand. Your handwriting would be worst. Nobody else can understand. No problem. It is only for you. You need to understand it and nobody else. Getting my point? If you understand and you apply it in your exams or whatever you're going to do it or your implementation in something, that will be helpful for you, not for anyone else. It's not for anyone else, actually it is for you. If someone has to give it to someone else, he'll rather publish it, write down a book, write down a blog, write down an article. It will be in printed format. But that is not the way you need to make your notes. Write it down. Don't make notes on your phone. Don't take pictures. Write it down. That will be more helpful. Because how I remember all topics, concepts and all, I have all the notes. I have not given it to anyone. This is also something which people do. I have written down, I'll give it to my juniors. Don't do that. It is for you. Juniors need to make their own notes. If you're giving it to them, you're spoiling them also and yourself because they won't make notes, new notes. They'll rely on your notes. So better make your own notes of anything, whether you're studying something or you're applying something or you're working, make notes of it. So that you will be helpful. And now after making notes, the biggest point is that you need to refer it also. You just make notes, put it down, I have made notes. Refer it, understand it, learn from it and apply it. So these all are my advices for you people. I want you all to apply these, and if you find this video helpful for you, please do mention in the comments. Please like and share and subscribe. And what videos do you want me to make next? Please put it down in the comment section. And if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me there. Thank you very much. See you all in the next video.